footstool with the money they give you.
I think I mean you crunch it.
You can buy those instead.
Posner Metals, paying the highest prices since 65. Posner.ca.
It's December at Volkswagen, and that can only mean two things. One, don't put your tongue on that metal pole over there because it's just going to get stuck again. And two, we're offering our coolest deal of the year. Get up to 3 months payments on us on this fun-to-drive Jetta, versatile Tiguan, or 7-seat Atlas 4Motion all-wheel drive, and put your payments on ice for the first 3 months on select trims. So to recap, do not lick the frozen metal pole, but do contact your local dealer for details because this offer ends January 4th.
What's that?
DJXY.
This is 107.9 FM, Forest Radio Station, broadcasting from a studio that smells like pizza delivered straight from Topper's Pizza. A brigade in rival Hamilton. Y 108.
Hamilton Rock.
Karen has an expansive piece of land where she saddles up daily. And she keeps it in shape on a John Deere 3E tractor. With features like iMatch Quick Hitch and PTO John Deere Quick Connect, hooking up attachments has never been a hassle. Karen runs with us because this is more than just land. It's home. Nothing runs like a Deere. Search John Deere 3E Series for more and see one for yourself at Crossroads Equipment, 66 Highway 52 South at Highway 403. CrossroadsEquipment.com.
I'm Michelle from Whitby, and I won $75,000 on an OLG instant ticket. As soon as I scratched the instant Pac-Man ticket, I said, no way.